Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I didn't think about this. That starting July 1st, anytime you get pulled over. Hey! Jesus Christ, dude! He hit us! Well, at least we had a cop there.
To back up along with your reverse clutch in the back. Anyway, look for any type of wear. You cannot leave any seals off in these drums. If you do, you will not for whatever value it has.
But yeah, this is a little bit weird because there is a lot of money in play, and the only people not getting paid are the only people who, truly speaking, are essential. So that's weird. The Southeastern Conference made more than $409 million in revenues, with total conference revenue from TV contracts.
Shit!
Shorting me on hours and routes and whatnot. I'll remember that. Whoa! Whoa!
Did he hit him?
Yep, he hit him.
Oh,
Yep.
and knocked the whole... Oh.
Yeah, knocked his mirror right off. That guy just ran over.
Oh.
Oh, great. Now you just knocked it into my path, you nimrod.
Oh, my God. You gonna keep going?
I think he is.
I seen him. He was flying.
Yeah.
He was flying. Didn't even know that he hit him. He must don't care because he's still going.
Yeah, he's flooring it. He's out of here.
Nice U-turn.
You good?
I knew it! Fucking idiot! I knew it. I knew that mother would wreck. I knew he would wreck. Don't let him in. Why the f are you letting him in? Are you dead ass? Where's your f***ing... Wait in line, bitch! Wait in line! Why don't you don't cut the line? You don't cut the line? Yeah, go f yourself. Wait in line. You gonna cut the line? Don't cut the line. Don't cut the line. Don't cut the line. I'm waiting in line and you wanna cut it? That's your kid? Tell her to not cut the line. You dumb bitch, you bitch, how you mad, you bitch?